Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So lately I've been obsessed with watching these clean with me videos, so I finally decided to muster up the courage to do it. My husband decided he would come and join me. We already put our daughter Riel to sleep upstairs. It was a late Sunday night and we just decided, you know what, let's start this week off with a bang. So Brian and I are first time home buyers, yay! We purchased our house last September and it is a bit of a fixer-upper for us. There's a lot of stuff that we would like to update, such as the countertops, the cabinets, the bathrooms, even our parts of our bedroom. But if you like videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you think. Due to the fact that Brian and I both hold full-time jobs, our house can get cluttered and messy very quickly. We've also been trying to hit the gym way more often, so that just takes up more time in the evening. So constant cleaning or deep cleaning really helps throughout the weekdays. Unfortunately, when Brian and I purchased our home, we bought our house as is. So the owner did not replace the microwave, the oven, or the stove top. Therefore, there's a lot of burnt on grease on the microwave and on the stove top. And so what I did was a deep soak with my Method lemongrass degreaser spray and some soap, hoping to break down some of that oil and grease that's burnt on there. It's been really difficult. If any of you can recommend different ways for how to get rid of that would be awesome. We do plan on replacing our appliances as soon as possible, but that will take some time as we do have a lot of updates that we want to make that are a little bit more priority. Along with the Method sprays, I also use the Mrs. Meyer's Honeysuckle spray. It's amazing, it's all-purpose. I actually have this scent in a candle. I have it in the dishwashing soap. I also have it in the air freshener for the different rooms. I'm obsessed. It smells so good. As you can see, our oven definitely needs to be replaced. This is something that we're currently working on. We don't use our oven right now. We actually just use an air fryer. Eventually, once we can get this replaced, we will be using the oven way more. But in the meantime, I still like to clean it. I use the Method glass and surface spray for that. And then I go ahead and go right over to our air fryer and just give that a good clean as well with the Method lemongrass degreaser, just to get that very clean. So on this side of the counter, I'm actually using my Method antibacterial spray. I like to use this over here because I want to disinfect it. I usually do all of my cooking and my prepping on this side, so I really like to give it a good wipe down with that spray. As I mentioned, we do have a 2-year-old toddler who likes to put her handprints everywhere. So what I found works best on my stainless steel is the Method glass and surface spray. It smells like mint. It works wonderfully. I just use a microfiber cloth and start wiping away. So my favorite soap to use is the Mrs. Meyer's Honeysuckle, surprise, surprise. And what I'm doing is actually cleaning a part of our air fryer. This definitely needs to be deep cleaned often because all that grease or oil, whatever it is that you use, kind of seeps to the bottom. So that's what I'm doing here, is using extremely hot water. I've got my gloves on and just trying to get all of that mess out. So after doing the dishes, I like to clean out the sink. I'm just taking my Mrs. Meyer's soap and then the Method antibacterial spray, and I'm giving our sink a good clean down. I use my scrub brush and I honestly just go ham. I clean every inch of it. Definitely want to disinfect this baby. It's been through a lot on the daily. I always use piping hot water. My husband always gets a bit annoyed with me because it's always super, super hot. At the very end, I also go ahead and clean that sponge holder. I'll disinfect that and scrub it down as well before putting it back to dry. I just want to make sure everything is disinfected, including that sponge. We actually sanitize or throw away the sponge. Like to go over the tile with our vacuum, and reason being is because tile, you have tons of those little grooves where the grout is, and I just find that sweeping doesn't get everything out. So I use our vacuum and I just like to run through it first before I start mopping. Ran out of our mopping solution and the Swiffer wet pads that we had. So what I did instead is I wet the Swiffer dry pad, and then I grabbed the Method Glass and Surface Spray. The spray can be used on tile, so I opted to do that instead of running to the store late night. I really just wanted to clean down the kitchen floor, make it all clean, and this worked really well. I did see that Method has a squirt mop spray, and I'm dying to try that out. I looked online and saw that the reviews were really good. So let me know what you think if you use it. Moving forward, just going to restock our paper towel, and then I'm just going to light my candle. This was actually a gift from my dear friend Andrea. She knows that I love lavender and I love using essential oil, so she got me a candle that smells just like lavender. So if you noticed in the beginning clip, our table was actually much bigger. What we can actually do is we can shorten it by adjusting a few of the wooden planks. So my husband actually was helping me, and that's why he was under the table. He was shortening the table to seat 4 people instead of seating 6. So I really hate having any little crumbs on the floor, so I just ran through the room with the vacuum real quick. So I guess our camera didn't record us polishing the wood with the Method wood polish spray. It smells great. I love it so much. It makes the wood really shine. Now that our table only seats 4, we notice that our room is much more open. We haven't fully figured out how we want to decorate, but I just got this beautiful little flower set and I decided to put that there. I bought it at Marshall's. Thank you all for watching. We absolutely love doing this. It was so much fun for me. Definitely see how hard it actually is to clean and record at the same time. But if you like videos like these, please leave me a comment down below so I know.